Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want your pages to rank better on Google in 2026, setting a proper SEO title and meta description is non-negotiable. Okay, so these don't change how your page looks on the site, but they control how it appears in search results. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set SEO titles and meta descriptions in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing, log into Squarespace. Okay, open your website. So go websites, pages. SEO settings are configured by page. So now hover over the page you want, click the setting page icon, for example this one. This opens visibility, SEO, and advanced options. So inside page settings, click SEO, and this is where search meta data lives. So in SEO title, enter your costume title, for example, how to set SEO title and meta descriptions. Include your main keyword, keep it clear and human. Avoid the keyword stuffing it. If left blank, Squarespace auto-generates one. In meta description, write a short summary, describe the page clearly, add value and internet. Stay under 160 characters. This is your Google ad copy. Make it compelling. Okay, so now save changes. SEO metadata is applied instantly. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.